side, two five-star hotels opening soon. Same design of two cruise ships. Look on the right side like a cruise ship. We have also in Dubai a cruise ship called Queen Elizabeth II, opened as a floating five-star hotel. On the right side, Jumeirah Beach Hotel, 5-star, 618 rooms and 20 restaurants. One of the restaurants on the right side like a dhow or a wooden boat, seafood restaurant. On the right side, Wild Wadi Water Park provide 24 different water rides. One of the most advanced water adventure in the world. Water speed reaches 90 kilometers. Entrance $55 per person. Open Monday for ladies and children. The other days for everybody. From 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Wild Wadi means wild valley. They called it Wild Valley because all the rocks inside imported from Egypt. They brought it on a ship from a place in Egypt, a historical place called Valley of the Kings. And they brought the rocks and they fixed it here inside the Wild Wadi like a waterfall. That's why they call it Wild Valley. On the right side, the entrance of Burj Al Arab. Look at the bus stop on the right side, the first air-conditioned bus stop in the whole world. Opened 1999. We stop here 10 minutes, take some photos to Burj Al Arab and come back to our bus, same place.
And go, go, go. Welcome. Welcome to Burj Al Arab.
Oh yeah, you take photo already? Okay, yeah. Give me, I'll take for you. Thank you.
I landed there, guys. Bye.